Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to hide chats on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide chats on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. And after that guys, in order to proceed to hide your chat on WhatsApp, we'll be going to 2 or 3 procedures. Now the first one is you'll be required to lock the chat which you want to hide on WhatsApp. To do that, tap and hold the chat which you want to hide, and after the menu appears at the top of the screen, when you tap and hold on it, there is the 3 dotted icon available for us. Tap on that and here it says the lock chat. First we'll be required to lock the chat. Verify yourself over here on your phone, and after that chat will be locked. Now in order to view your locked chats, simply swipe down on the chat menu like this, and all the other locked chats will be available at the top of the screen. Let's do that again. Swipe the WhatsApp messages down and the locked chats will be available. Now tap on the locked chats and you will be required to verify yourself, and after that all of the locked chats will be available over here. Now in order to hide your locked chats, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there's a 3 dotted icon. Tap on it and tap on chat lock settings, and here it says the hide locked chats. Tap on the toggle icon at the right side. Now you will be required to create a secret code through which you will be able to view your locked chats. So in order to do that, tap on create secret code, and over here you'll be required to enter a code through which you will be viewing your WhatsApp's hidden chats later. And after entering the code, tap on next. Re-enter the code over here in order to make sure that you remember it, and after entering your code, tap on done. And over here guys, you can see now the locked chats will be hidden on WhatsApp. So let's go back, and you can see over here guys, now we're no longer able to swipe the menu down, and when we also swipe down, the locked chats won't appear. Now in order to view those locked chats, simply tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap the code which you had entered on WhatsApp by hiding your chats, and after that the locked chats will be available over here like this, and tap on locked chats, and you can see this way you will be able to view your hidden chats on WhatsApp. And this is how to hide chats on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.